Today, let's take a look at the text display effect tutorial. Open the VideoAE software and then click Make Video to enter the page. After entering the page, first import the background material. Any material will do. Click the plus to continue adding text layers and enter the text we want to make. The text layer must be consistent with the duration of the video material layer. Then you can appropriately scale the text size. Of course, you can set the font style in the toolbar below. And you can place the text in the appropriate position through Adjust. Find the mask button again. Add a default mask, select a rectangle, and then zoom in on the mask to make the text just appear. If it is difficult to adjust manually, it can be adjusted by the Adjust button. Finally, click the Transform button in the mask. Let the Position button at 0 seconds. Then modify the value and move the mask horizontally to the left until the text cannot be seen. Then, according to the animation effect, find the time point when you need the text to appear exactly. For example, I hope that the characters will appear exactly after the characters walk. So when the character goes to the right edge, modify the value of transfer again and move the mask horizontally to the right until all the text is revealed. In the preview, you can see a special effect that gradually displays with the character movement text is done.